We're at our very first Diamond Platinum party. Seeing what this is about. There's a lot of people in there. It's called the Diamond Platinum Reunion. So at this event, whatever, it's drinks on the house. You don't have to pay for it. So I forgot to bring our straws. Usually we bring our own straws, but anyway, looks like they have beer and cocktails, sodas, a little bit of everything. So, and it looks like they're mixing drinks up there too. So, yeah. See what this is about. We got the Steakhouse up next. So, that's at 6 o'clock. So.
Let's sit right there.
This one is called the Fun Ship. These are the ones that they go around on cruise day, on this first sea day, going around selling them. It was called the Fun Ship. It has a not really a peach flavor to it. Pineapple, maybe? Pineapple? Yeah. We got our Steakhouse at 6. $5.25. So let's get this party going.
Let me help you out.
See any of your favorite ships?
Start cheering for the original Mardi Gras, Carnival, Festival, Tropical, Holiday, Jubilee, Original Celebration, Fantasy, Ecstasy, Sensation, Fascination, Imagination, Inspiration, Destiny, Elation, Paradise, Triumph, Victory, Spirit, Pride, Legend, Conquest, Glory, Miracle, Valor, Liberty, Freedom, Splendor, Dream, Magic, Breeze, Sunshine, Vista, Horizon, Sunrise, Panorama, the new Mardi Gras, Radiance, Luminosa, Celebration. Ooh, I'm out of breath. I'm not gonna lie. That was a lot.
I think I'm gonna do the pork belly for the
belly as well, okay.
And I think I'm gonna do the cowboy steak. You think cowboy steak would be alright?
Medium. Medium rare, well done. Medium well.
Let's medium well. Yeah, let's do medium well.
We're going baked potato, mashed potato, onion rings.
Baked potato.
Yeah. Anything else on the side or dessert you wanted?
Let's do mac and cheese for dessert. Or I mean for.
What do you want for your dessert? We have a cheesecake. We have a chocolate spear.
We're both wanting the chocolate spear.
Chocolate spear.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. How's that? Maybe I'll try it.
Tomato.
Mm-hmm.
It's just kind of like This on the menu.
Okay.
That's what it tastes like.
Yeah. Pretty good. Got the cheese on it. That's what it really tastes like a little bitty piece of lasagna, but with more tomato. But you can really taste the cheese and the meat. Tried your bread? No wing bread? Kind of messy. Yeah. Bread looks like it has some pieces of salt to it. Some salt to it. Tastes just like a cracker, like a Ritz cracker, but because of the salt, but it's bread.
The steak is fine, right? Anything else we can get?
Just get the meat part of it all. This is the pork belly. Mine's not as fatty as yours, so you've got a big old thick thing. I just got a little bit of fat. That was good. Yeah, mine don't have as much fat on it as yours. The sauce is kind of like a brown sugar in it. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, it's brown sugar for sure.
Carry on luggage. Pretty good about we can just
So they are fatty, but you got more fat on yours than mine.
So we just carry things on the plane, out of the plane when we fly, and we're coming on a 7-day trip.
Oh boy.
Awesome. So much. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to eat it all. I'll give it a good shot. All right. Thank you. Is that sour cream right there?
How many? I said 3.
What's the green stuff? Chives? Is that chives?
I have friends who have finished my
I just poured that whole boat in there. The bacon bits and the chives.
It'll be
I got the cowboy steak. Medium well done. No pink. I like the charred flavor on it.
I'll take a double good.
Gives it a little bit more. I like that. Makes you feel like you're outside eating something off the fire. That's what I like about it.
I'll put a duck inside the chocolate. I'll hide the duck. Cruising duck.
It's single now. I don't have to pay for food. You're an asshole. Why you always worry about fucking money? I worry about money.
That's cool.
And now I go,
Thank you very much, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Let me know if you're going to.
tomorrow night at 9.
Yeah, let me know if you're
Definitely different. It's like warm and cold at the same time.
Thank you. Thanks for the watch.
There's like a little cake part to it, if that's what you want to call it. Almost not a cake, not a crust either. It's very rich.
I don't know how we do it.
You don't think so? It's just a rich chocolate, real rich. I mean, it is. The Fahrenheit 550, the Fahrenheit still can't say it right. Fahrenheit 555 was pretty decent. Would I do it again? Yes. The steak was good. The potato was good. I really like how they dressed up the whole potato stuff, right? Where you could just, gave you sour cream, butter, bacon, and chives. And I just put all the butter in there and the bacon and the chives. Didn't mess with the sour cream, but that was good. The steak was good. And the dessert was a little bit too sweet, a little bit too unorganized. It made more of a show than anything else. I would probably get a different dessert next time. Yeah. The appetizer was a little bit fatty. Especially hers was more fatty than mine, but mine was, it was still good. No, it was still good. But would I do it again? Yeah. We would probably do it on another cruise, but not next week. But we got it out of the way. It's definitely better than the Steakhouse on the Dream. That I won't do again. They put it like a steakhouse, ain't got no daggone steak. But anyway, yeah, this is the last day of the first leg. People all sad and all that kind of stuff, and we're not. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go down in the Havana here after a bit and relax. So yeah, so not much for today, but we still got the Steakhouse in, and the Diamond and Platinum reunion, which was like free drinks. That was cool, and it was cool to show some homage to. There was a person on there that's cruised for over 800 freaking days, and they weren't even 80 years old either. Pretty crazy. Are we going to ever cruise 800 some odd days?
Yes.
Yes.
We're going to live on a cruise ship at some point.
At some point, that's what we're going to do. Screw a nursing home.
Not Vista.
But not the Vista. Yeah, she doesn't like the Vista. She's not a fan of the Vistas because of the bed. The bed can ruin it for anyone, especially my wife. And I don't blame her. Especially when you've been on the Dream and the Glory and the Breeze.
The Dream, hands down, has the best beds.
The Dream, hands down. Like if this is my hand, down. Just like that. Best bed. They won't let us get on the Dream. We're already booked for this. So yeah. So that's going to cover it. Tomorrow I'm going to do the video for the back-to-back. The whole process. So we'll wake up in the morning. We're going to start filming and do all that process. Because guess what? Tomorrow is cruise day. And I'm going to wear my jersey again. Okay, Joni?
Okay, sounds good.
And it's like really best part about the jersey. Now I'll tell you this, it may be a little tighter because I'm gonna tell you something. We ate more this week than what we always eat. As a matter of fact, I don't think I've ate that bad, because it's like most of the time for like C-Day brunch, I'm always getting a 12-hour French toast, and I've only gotten that once. And I may not even get it on the second leg. So I wouldn't say we're probably on average. Probably on average over here.
On average for a cruise.
For a cruise. Yeah, no. Compared to what we do at home, like a lot of times I eat 1 meal a day. I know you can't tell, but I'll tell you what, we just knock it out of the park on these cruises, okay? It's just what it is. We'll be in damage control once we get back. We're going to start eating salads and lean meats and fasting. We slow for 2 straight weeks, okay? I mean, we've never done 2 weeks. I mean, the longest we've ever done before this one is 8 days. And let me tell you, that 8 days was like, whoa, this is 14 days. And then next year, we have another 14-day cruise. But that's a one's cruise to Hawaii. Can't wait for that. Then we got one for December. The one that we're going to have the Christmas tree and stuff at is Horizon. That's 8 days. So, and then we've got the Jubilee for 2025 on that really awesome freaking suite. But that's only 7 days. Anyway, so I'm going to film that whole thing tomorrow. So, and put out more information.